జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. ఓ లక్ష్మణ, I know that it is already delayed in searching for Sita Devi. Lakshmana, I know that how much Rama did great favor to us. Not only that, Lakshmana, I know that what kind of help we should be extending to Ramachandra Swami. Oh Lakshmana, and now Sugriva is drowned in enjoying all his pleasures. That also I know. And those who are in that kind of pleasures would never pay any attention to dharmam. That also I know. Oh Lakshmana, please ask Sri Ramachandra Swami, kshamasva tavat paraveerahantaha tvat bhrataram vanara vamsanadham. Please ask Rama to forgive Sugriva. Oh Lakshmana, these vanaras by nature, their mind is very wavery. Ayam prakrutya chapalah kapistu. We all have that wavery mind, and we all very much inclined towards enjoying these pleasures. Such great people also kamanukamah pratibaddha mohaha. Even great people also getting into these kind of pleasures. Now what to say about these vanaras? Oh Lakshmana, but one thing, Sugriva, though he is involved in enjoying these pleasures, he already gave orders to all the vanaras to search for Sita Devi. Koti sata sahasrani nananaganivasinaha. When Sugriva gave orders, already there are lakhs and crores of vanaras arrived here and they are ready to search for Sita Devi. Lakshmana, tadagacha mahabaho. Please come inside. I know that you are not comfort to come inside because there are so many ladies in this palace. But all the vanaras are your friends, Lakshmana. Acchalam mitra bhavena satam dharavalokanam. Because we are all your friends, there is nothing wrong seeing friends' wives. That too, you are such a great person. So there is nothing wrong and you should not be feeling this discomfort. Please come inside. When Tara requested like that, Lakshmana came inside and he has seen Sugriva in golden simhasanam. Lakshmana went into Sugriva's palace. Lakshmana has seen Sugriva sitting in golden simhasanam. Around that simhasanam there are so many valuable grand beddings. Sugriva is decorated with so many divya abharana chitrangam divya rupam yasasvinam, golden ornaments, and Sugriva is glowing with all those ornaments. Divya malyambaradharam. Sugriva is decorated with so many garlands and beautiful garments. Lakshmana is looking at Sugriva while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.